Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new OREI USB-EX330-K 4-port USB extension kit. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to extend a USB connection from your computer at one location with a second remote location up to 330 feet away over a single Cat6 or Cat7 LAN cable. And that allows you to plug a variety of peripherals in at that remote location that are immediately seen by a computer at the primary location. And the best part is the kit supports the newer USB 2.0 standard as well as the older USB 1.1 standard, which means you can use this with a wide variety of modern peripherals and even older ones. Just imagine plugging in a camera, a printer, or a hard drive at a remote location 330 feet away that's immediately seen by your computer. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at both of the modules, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the kit. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other USB extension kits you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. The transmitter is located at your primary site where your computer is, and the receiver module is located at the remote location. You'll also find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end of it has a barrel connection on it which plugs into the receiver module and provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a USB cable that you can use at the primary location to connect this to your computer, and the power required for this module is sent over the same cable as the data that's coming from that remote location. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the kit that you'll want to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. Inside the kit, you'll find both a transmitter and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures which make them incredibly durable. Let's start with the transmitter module. On the one end, you'll find a LAN port, and that's where one end of the Cat6 or Cat7 cable between this transmitter and receiver plugs in. And on the other end, you'll find a standard USB connection. You can use the cable that's included with the kit to connect this to a local computer, and that connection not only provides data transfer for the peripherals at the remote location, but it also provides power for this module's operation. The receiver module features 4 full-sized USB 2.0 connections on one end, and you can use these for connecting a variety of peripherals like a microphone or a camera or even a remote hard drive. On the other end of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a reset button. Once you apply power to the module, you can reset the module by holding that button down for a few seconds. In the center is a standard LAN port. That's where the other end of the cable from the transmitter module plugs in. And then finally, to the right of that, you'll find a DC input port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the OREI USB-EX330-K 4-port USB extension kit with other products you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with distance. This product provides a full 330 feet of distance between your computer at the primary location and the peripherals you'd like to extend at that secondary location. A lot of other kits on the market reduce that distance, which doesn't provide as much flexibility on where you locate that secondary site. Another important difference is the fact that this kit fully supports the newer USB 2.0 standard as well as the older USB 1.1 standard, which means it's going to work great with all of your modern and even older peripherals. Another big difference is that the receiver unit provides 4 USB ports, which means you can use it as a USB hub at that secondary location and plug in things like a hard drive, a printer, a camera, a microphone. A lot of peripherals that plug into your USB port can be added to that secondary site and immediately seen by the computer at the primary site. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So hopefully you found this quick review helpful. I've really enjoyed talking about it. So until next time, thanks for watching and stay nerdy.